Hey guys, I am Kyle, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to delete your Shopify store. So let's get started. So first of all, you want to log in into your Shopify store, and then once you do, you will be prompted here. And once you're here, you want to click on the settings on the bottom left of your screen. Once you're here, you want to click on plan right here. So once you're here in the plan, you want to go click here on deactivate store, and this is how you delete your Shopify store. From here, click on deactivate, and take note of these things here before you delete your Shopify store so that you can make sure that everything is good. So before you go, you have an outstanding balance in your Shopify account. When you deactivate your store, we will charge you using your primary payment method. So even if you deactivate your store or delete your store, if you have an outstanding balance, you will still be charged and cancel any unwanted subscription. So if you have installed apps into your Shopify store and you want to make sure that you cancel them or you unsubscribe to them so that you will not be charged even if you delete your Shopify store. And then you need to save any needed store information by exporting CSV files, and then you can look into the steps to take before deactivating your store for more information. So you can just click on this button right here or this link so that you would be guided. And then from here, once you are good with everything, click here on I understand that I will be charged so that the continue button will be available. And click here on continue, and then from here choose your reason, whatever it is. In my case, I'll just go for I was just testing, and then click on continue once you're done. And then after you are now finally ready to finally delete your Shopify store, all you have to do is type your password in here, and then click here on deactivate store, and then your Shopify store will now be deleted. And remember that after deactivating your store, you will no longer have access to Shopify admin, including sales, data reports, and so on. So that is basically it for this video. Thank you for watching.